Hi, this is a new feature we just implemented. It's a way for users to provide feedback via Screencast, like this one, directly from Instadeq. And otherwise, we have to explain how to use tools, how to set them up, and how to share the results. So the idea is that the user goes to the profile menu and clicks the camera here, and it will ask what they want to share. It can be the browser or the entire screen, and it will also ask permission for microphone the first time. And it will start recording. You can see it here, and a stop recording button will appear. When the user clicks stop recording, the file will be downloaded. And so if I open it, and it will also ask permission for, you can see it works. The reason why the stop recording button is there is because on Firefox Stable and the UI for sharing media doesn't add a stop sharing. If you see on Firefox Nightly or Chrome, that button is not needed, but it's still there anyway. So now I'm recording on Chrome and I can stop sharing from the native Chrome dialog and it will download. It's still there anyway. So this is the initial implementation. The user will download the video and probably share it with us via email, which is okay. In the future, we may allow the user to upload it to our servers and we may get a notification with some description of the problem. So this is the new built-in screencast recording tool on Instadeq. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.